Come test drive the 2018 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.